Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School Isapur online classes. This is your EVS class, and today we are going to study questions and answers of chapter 12, What if it finishes? So let's have a quick recap. Petrol takes lakhs of years to form. It is found under the surface of the earth. We have already studied these things in the chapter. We are going to quickly see them again. So petrol does not make overnight or in 1 year or 2 years. It takes lakhs of years to form. That's why we should use it judiciously, and it is found under the surface of the earth. We should save petrol because the reserves are limited. Petrol is not present in unlimited quantity. It is because the reserves are limited means it is present in limited quantity. Cars on alternative fuels are devised using electricity and solar energy. So instead of using this exhaustible fuel, petrol and diesel, now we are turning to use electricity and solar energy. The price of petrol is rising as the reserves are limited. Because the reserves are limited, prices are also increasing. In rural areas, dry wood and cow dung cakes are used as fuel in chulhas. The use of LPG and kerosene has gone up considerably during the past 20 years. We should try to use more and more renewable sources of energy so that we can conserve these limited resources of petrol, diesel, and petroleum in general. Now let's see the questions and answers. Question 1. Why should petrol and diesel be used judiciously? Answer. Petrol and diesel should be used judiciously because they take lakhs of years to form and their reserves are present in limited quantity. That's why we should use them judiciously. Name the alternative fuel used in vehicles nowadays. Will these be exhausted too? What are the alternative fuels which we use instead of petrol and diesel? What is the alternate for us? The alternative fuels used in vehicles nowadays are electricity and solar energy. No, these will not be exhausted as electricity can be generated by renewable energy sources and solar energy is an inexhaustible natural resource. So we can use these alternative fuels as much as we want because they are inexhaustible. Question 3. Name the fuel used in rural India. Dry wood and cow dung cakes are used as fuel in rural India. How has the fuel use changed over the past 20 years? Answer. The use of LPG and kerosene has gone up considerably during the past 20 years. So, if we look at the trends of 20 years, then you will find that LPG and kerosene use has increased, which we also saw in the bar graph given in the book. Question 5. Why is CNG better than petrol? Answer. CNG is better than petrol because CNG run vehicles do not emit harmful gases and give out less smoke in the environment. This fuel does not cause pollution. That's why CNG is better than petrol. Question 6. How and from where do we get petrol? Answer. We get petrol with the help of machines to pump it out. We get petrol from deep down under the earth. Question 7. Name 6 products which are obtained from petroleum. So the 6 products are petrol, diesel, CNG, kerosene, gasoline, coal tar and paint are obtained from petroleum. Question 8. What is the difference between LPG and CNG? LPG is liquefied petroleum gas and CNG is compressed natural gas. LPG is a cooking gas which is mostly used in cooking, and CNG is primarily used in automobiles. So these are the two differences between LPG and CNG. B. Find out the following facts and answer. The inventor of steam engine. So who is the inventor of steam engine? Thomas Savery. Second, the year in which steel tracks were introduced. They were introduced in the year 1857. The year in which metro rail was introduced in India. It was in 1984. The inventor of the petrol engine, Nicholas August Otto, is the inventor of the petrol engine. The inventor of the aeroplane, the Wright brothers are the inventor of the aeroplane. Now let's have a look at C. Coal, a fuel which forms inside the earth over the years, is an integral part of thermal power stations. Write the uses of coal. So coal is also a very good source of power generator because it is used in thermal power stations. Now we have to write write some uses of coal. Answer: coal is mainly used in power generation. Coal is used in steel production. Coal is used in paper manufacturing, and coal is used to make chemicals. These are some of the uses of coal. So children, for your homework, nowadays emphasis is being given to the renewable sources of energy. Draw the different ways we can use renewable resources. So here 4 boxes are given to you. You have to draw 4 renewable resources in this place given for that. Do this for your homework in your workbook and complete the questions and answers as well. We will meet again in the next class.